Hello, today I'm going to show you how to check your oil level on a Volkswagen Golf 4 model. So let's start it. The engine was running and then stops the engine and let it chill out for 5 minutes, and this will dip back the oil in position. First step is now remove the dipstick and clean the dipstick. As you can see, it's really important to do this because you're going to see now which oil level your engine is right now having here. So here you can see this is your dipstick, and you can see an upper and a down mark, and between these marks it's 1 liter. And if you are in this area, the oil level is fine. If it is down, you have to top up. If it is too much, you have to get a little bit oil outside. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.